Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best umbrellas that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Shine High Golf Umbrella 62-inch. The Shine High Golf Umbrella features a 62 canopy and a 52-inch diameter. This makes it one of the largest umbrellas on the market that provide full protection. It is a perfect choice for golfers as well as other individuals who would want a functional and practical to use an umbrella for daily needs. The umbrella comes with an ergonomic handle that offers both right and left-handed users with a comfortable grip. The handle also comes with a sleek design that fits in most golf cart umbrella mounts. Featuring a double canopy design coupled with a hardened steel frame, this umbrella will remain stable even in areas with strong winds. This is also facilitated by a vent that allows wind to pass, making the umbrella easy to handle in harsh conditions. Additionally, the umbrella features 190T nylon fabric, which is highly water repellent, lightweight, and compact. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Fidus Windproof Vented Travel Umbrella. Thanks to the innovative vented double canopy design that comes with this umbrella, it is a much stronger and durable model when compared to other models in the market. It is also constructed by a brand that aims at providing the best umbrellas without charging exorbitant prices. Over the years that this brand has been on the market, it has produced various models that have received a lot of positive feedback from the users. This model comes with an innovative canopy design that overlaps to allow the wind to pass while ensuring no water gets in. This will prevent the wind drag that is responsible for turning most umbrellas inside out. The model is also perfectly balanced and comes with an automatic close and open mechanism. Besides, this model stand out as one of the most cost-effective umbrellas available on the market. At number 3, we have the EEZ-Y Folding Golf Umbrella. The EEZ-Y is one of the few ultra-intelligent brands that offer the customers with redesigned umbrellas, providing better and smarter results. This umbrella is crafted with the utmost care and attention to details. This will ensure that it will meet your needs, as it will exceed both the innovative functionalities and premium quality. The umbrella doesn't only come with a large canopy but also offers you with a portability of a foldable and compact umbrella. It also boasts of superior double-vented canopy crafted from super water-repellent fabric. This will ensure better protection as well as fast drying even in torrential summer rains. Besides the double canopy protection, prevent wind drags by allowing wind to pass through. This prevents the umbrella from turning inside out in case of strong wind gushes. At number 2, we have the G4 Free 62/68" automatic open golf umbrella. Where most of the other umbrellas fail, this G4 Free large umbrella will steal the show. The core of this model is the double canopy construction. This design features various vents in the canopy that will reduce wind drag by allowing it to pass while keeping the water out. The umbrella is designed to offer an all-around protection. This makes it one of the few umbrellas that offer effective protection no matter what Mother Nature throws at you, including sun, rain, and hail. The umbrella is crafted from ultra-water repellent, mold-resistant, lightweight, quick-drying, and SPF 50+ protection fabric. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lejorain 54-inch large umbrella. The Lejorain 54-inch large umbrellas are practical to use in various situations. For instance, if you are caught in the rain when walking home with friends, this umbrella will offer sufficient protection. It is also a great choice to use in a golf course, as it will protect you together with your equipment. In addition to its large canopy, this unit comes with a vented double canopy. This design will allow the wind to pass easily without turning it inside out. The model also boasts of high-quality construction featuring 210T DuPont Teflon fabric. This fabric offers the best water repellency and fast dry technology. Additionally, the model comes with a reliable push-button close and open mechanism. This allows for a hassle-free operation that allows to open the umbrella in seconds in case of sudden rain and close fast, making it great for quick entry into a building or car. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.